Okay.
Oh, you're not recording, you're just the voice.
No, it is.
In
It's recording.
In my old school, I had iPad class.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay,
I had
so-
iPad class in my old school.
While we're waiting for Ion, we're going to go over a little bit what we talked about yesterday. Oscar, can you tell me what we talked about yesterday?
We've been waiting for you. Come on in.
What we talked about
Take a
yesterday
seat.
was half hour.
Half hour. Hi, Ion. Come on
It's
in.
still on there,
I'll take your
Erica.
folder. It doesn't go away.
It looks awesome, like a hedgehog.
Okay. So, Ion, what did we talk about yesterday? Do you remember? We talked about clocks. Do you remember? Did we talk about o'clock or did we talk about half hour?
You show Miss Kernbach you're thinking about her?
O'clock and a half hour.
Which one did we do? O'clock or half hour?
O'clock and a half hour.
Which one?
Half hour.
Half hour, right? Great job. So, Michael, which one is the minute hand? The long one or the short one?
Use your words.
The big one is the minutes, right? And Ziggy, which one's the hour? Use your words. Big or little?
Little hand.
Little hand. Okay. So the little hand shows us which hour it is, right? And the minute hand shows us, and the long one shows us what? The
Minutes.
the
The minute hand.
minutes, right? Okay. So if my minute hand is up here, what does that mean?
O'clock.
O'clock, right? And Ziggy, if my minute hand is down here, we learned this yesterday. What does that mean?
Half hour.
Half hour. And what does half hour mean? And that look like, Michael? 3-0, right? What does it look like, Ion?
3-0.
Okay. All right. Oscar, I'm going to try to give you one, okay?
Okay.
It's going to be a little tricky, remember, because they're in between. So, where is my hour hand, Oscar?
At the 11 and the 10.
It's at the 11 and the 10, right? You see it's at the 11 and the 10, Michael? Ziggy, where is it?
11 and the 10.
Ion, where is it?
Um,
Where's it in between? What's our hour hand in between?
11 and the 10.
Okay, great. And which one comes before? If we're starting here and we're going around, which one comes before, Oscar?
10.
The 10, right? So, Ziggy, which one comes before?
10.
10. Michael, which one comes before? 10, right? You see that? You start here and you go around in a circle. Which one comes first?
10.
10, right? Which one comes first? If you're going around in a circle, which one comes first?
10.
10, right? So it's 10, what, Oscar?
10:30.
10:30, awesome. So can everyone make 10:30 on their clocks? 10:30.
So start with the minute hand. Where's the minute hand going to be? The bigger hand, everybody.
The longer one, where is it going to be? On the
6.
on the 6,
So
right?
Michael, where are you going to put the bigger hand on what number? So please put the bigger hand on.
So the bigger hand goes on the,
And where's the little hand going to
and the little hand goes where? Between what two numbers?
Little hand goes.
Okay, so move it between.
It's 10:30.
Good. Now stop.
Yeah. So it goes in between 10 and
11.
great job. Okay, Ziggy, what time do you want to do next? Which one? What 30?
12:30.
12:30. That one's gonna look cool. Okay. So let's all try to make it. So I'm gonna turn my clock around and you all make it independently.
Your clock.
12:30.
This arrow is going to stay here. We're not going to move this one. We're only going to move the hour hand. Where are you going to move the hour hand so it's 12:30?
Where's your minute hand gonna stay? At the 30,
We're
right?
not moving that big hand.
We're just gonna move our hour hand. Where does our hour hand need to move? Yeah, right? In between our 12 and our... So if your clock looks like my clock, give me a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, so I'm looking at your clocks, and most of them are like this.
Look at this
Look at my clock. Most of them look like this, right? Ziggy, what did you just do? Can you tell me what you just did?
I just did this.
What did you do?
You put it
Can
where?
you tell me where?
The minute hand was at the 6, and the hour hand was at the 12.
Yep, and then what did you do? I just saw you move it a little bit. Why did you do that?
After wait.
So it was,
Listen to Zig.
12:30.
12:30. And why did you move it in between the 12 and the 1?
Because 12 is before.
Yeah, 12 is before on our
Clock.
what? On our clock, right?
So correct, Oscar.
So correct.
Correct, Ion. Correct.
Okay, so we're
Correct.
gonna move our hour hand in between the 12 and the 1. Can everyone move their hour hand in between the 12 and the 1?
Oscar.
Perfect.
Good job.
Okay, Oscar, now you're gonna pick one.
2:30.
2:30.
Okay, everyone make sure.
That's like when
Is this hand gonna ever move?
So we're not gonna move our minute hand because
we're
it's
not
already
moving this
supposed to
hand.
be where on the half an hour.
2:30 with your hour. Or is it gonna
Hold
go?
on 1 second, Zig.
What numbers does it need to go in between?
I'm just gonna let them do it then because they're all doing that. So. Okay. So does your clock look like my clock?
Everybody show
Oscar?
working hands while you're thinking about Miss Kurdenbach.
No.
No. Okay. Does your clock look like my clock, Michael?
No.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Okay, Ziggy, does your clock look like my clock? Oh.
That's why.
Sorry.
This is like this. 2:30 is like when kindergarten ends.
Did you
Is
listen?
that what we're talking about right now? No, right? Where does your clock look like my clock?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? Aya, does your clock look like my clock?
Yeah.
Let's see it. There we go. So if it's at the 6, it needs to be in between
And 3.
two numbers, right?
Oscar, can you
Oscar, can you fix yours so it's in between two numbers?
Which two numbers for 2:30? Good job.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, Michael, what number should we? What
What
time should we do now? Pick a number. Any number, 1 through 12. We already did 2 and 12, so maybe not those two. 3, 2, 1. What?
Or
In the
what?
big boy voice?
4.
Oh, okay, we're gonna do 30s. So can we do 4:30? 4:30. Okay. So now we're gonna do 4:30. Everyone should have 4:30. Your minute hand should not be moving. Just your hour hand should move. And it should be in between two numbers. Make sure it's
We
in.
can't. Don't say it.
It's 4:30, so it should be in between two numbers. Okay. Check and make sure. Now, can you show me working hands? Working hands, working hands, working
No, we're
hands.
not moving our clock.
Working hands, working hands, working hands.
Working hands.
Okay, now look at my clock. And look at your clock. Do they match?
Yeah.
Michael, be honest.
If it doesn't, then you can fix it to make it match. So Michael, your clock said 3:30, right? Because that one came before. Now it says what? 4:30, right? Okay. What does your clock say, Ion?
4:30.
Is it in between two numbers?
Yeah.
Which two numbers is it in between?
3 and 4.
3 and 4. So that says 3:30 because that comes first in our circle. So we want to make it say 4:30. Can you make it say 4:30?
Huh?
4:30.
4:30.
Yep. So it needs to be in between which two numbers? Okay, so Ion, if we go around, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna give them their worksheets. This one, right?
You can choose whichever one you want. One of them will be first. So whatever one.
Okay. So Ziggy, oh, it's already up here. Great. Can everyone take a pencil?
Do they need their clock still?
You can keep them if you want,
How do we keep it?
and you can if you need help in making your clock
What
with
is
the
the
time on.
direction to get a pencil? Everyone write your name where it says name.
You put your clock at the top of your
I am
paper.
just writing our first name.
Okay. And you can do this independently. So you're gonna circle after you're done writing your name, you're gonna circle the time that the clock shows. Okay. And if you need help, you can raise a quiet hand. Okay. Ion.
Fine. Find it and then circle it. What time is on this
Okay.
clock?
If I
What
want to
time
raise,
is it on this
if
clock?
I want to raise.
2:30.
Right, so Circle it.
4:30.
No, listen to my words. What time?
How do I make that? How do I make it? Where's my minute hand?
Circle it. Do the next one.
Where's my minute hand? Amy? Can you
Don't
do it?
tell me. I'm gonna check it after.
My minute hand. Is my
If
minute
it's
hand the
on the
longer one
sixth,
or
do
the
we say
shorter one?
6
The
or do we
longer
say
one. So where is
30?
it?
30.
On the
So say it again.
on the.
6.
Okay.
30.
And where does my
Circle
hour hand need to
2:30. Okay, do the next one.
If I want to make
Keep on going.
4:30.
Oscar, when you're done,
I-
raise a quiet hand.
So I want to make 4:30.
Here.
Why does it
Up.
need to be in between the 4 and the 5?
Wait 1 sec. Where is the
No, you're
arrow
right, you're
hand
right, you're
pointing
right.
between what two numbers?
10 and
Great, that shows
Which
4.
number comes
What?
first?
9.
Okay, can you show me
Keep on
4
going.
o'clock?
Keep on going, Dick.
Show me
I have it.
4 o'clock. Where's your minute hand
Next
need
one,
to
Michael.
go? Your minute hand. Where's O o'clock?
Up with voices off.
Where's O o'clock?
Oscar, I'm gonna get my stamp,
Where's
okay?
your minute hand need to go? Where? Tell me. On the 12.
Oscar,
That's
do you
O
want to
o'clock,
stamp it
right?
yourself?
And it's 4 o'clock. Let's say 4 o'clock, Ian. Where's your hour hand need to go?
Michael, when you're done,
On
you
the-
can tell me.
Awesome. Okay. Let's do this now. Use your pencil.
It's 9.
Okay, you're gonna do
Wait
it.
1 sec, Oscar.
Point number 2.
Okay, Oscar.
You want to stamp it yourself?
Okay, circle the one that it's showing, the time that it's showing.
Okay, you're gonna write your name again on this one.
Okay, so what time is it?
Nice stamp it.
You're
What
calling
time
out
is
right
it?
now.
2:30, 7:30, 1:30.
You can ask Miss Kernebach for a new
37.
worksheet.
Yeah, hold on 1 second.
And then dig you can make a new one.
Make sure you write your name on the top.
We're gonna keep it right here. Okay, up. Michael, that's a 1. That was very unexpected.
Okay.
Please write your name on the
Turn your
worksheet.
Mason. Okay. Okay. What time is this? Where's the hour hand?
Please start your work.
Yeah, so it's at, what's the hour?
In the 2.
In the 2, so which one says the 2? Is the hour. Great, circle. Can you circle the whole thing? No. Circle 2:30.
We're gonna wait for our friends. Michael, please stop.
Okay, now start going.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a time and you're gonna make it on your clock, okay? You make 10:30.
It's
10:30.
8. No, it's 9.
9, right? So
Good
9.
job. Can you make 6:30? Oh.
That's a tricky one.
I know, I'm gonna see if you can do it. 6:30 is tricky.
Great. Next one.
We haven't learned 6:30 yet. Where do you think 6:30 goes? I want to show you something cool.
Here.
Where's the hour hand?
Here at the 11.
Right?
Funny, huh?
That looks like 12 o'clock.
Okay, ready? Can you make
Is
8:30?
that at 6 or at 5?
6
The shorter hand.
Keep on going, Michael. You're doing a great
Where's
job.
the shorter hand pointed?
Here.
Okay.
Where's the shorter
You
hand?
decide on the time.
That one.
And
Which
then
one on the
I'm gonna
arrow?
guess the
The
time
shorter
when
one.
you tell me when you have it. Then I'm gonna guess
Which
the
one?
time.
Here.
Which arrow line?
Okay, at the time.
Yeah, right. There's the arrow.
Okay, can I turn it just to face me?
6.
See it?
Is it pointing at the 6? That one's pointing right at the
1:30?
6, right?
Yeah.
Is it
Okay,
pointing
make
right
another
at the
time for me
6?
to guess.
No, at the 5.
At the 5, right?
Okay, I'm gonna tell you it's time. Click on your clock. I'm gonna guess yours. Make 3:30, Ziggy.
I can do that.
6:30.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna tell you a
Great.
time. Can you make 8:30?
Can you make, can you make 8:30 and then show me? Okay,
This is
one
fun.
more letter.
That's 8:30. Where does the two numbers need this? Where does the arrow hand need to be for 8:30?
Here you go.
The arrow hand needs to be
Here.
between what two numbers for 8:30? Can you tell me with your words?
Trina?
What did you
I'm
hear?
an 8.
Okay,
An
which
eight. I was
in the
confused.